I now declare our World Singles Congress open!
Just one thing that God taught me was that God will always fight for me. I am here with you. I am with you in this process. There is still a future full of hope, just as I have planned for you.
Our God went beyond bounds para iparating sa atin ang pagmamahal, awa at grasya niya. Our God went beyond bounds para maging personal siya sa atin. And our God, going beyond bounds, brought us here this weekend sa WSC natin. And our God will continue to go beyond bounds to bless us because we are destined to be blessed.
And the good news is, Jesus will meet you where you are in the road to
Amen.
perfection.
Amen.
And He will accompany you.
Hindi matatapos ang Panginoon na biyayaan ka, mahalin ka, maging tapat sa'yo sa lahat ng pangako na binitawan niya sa buhay mo. In the ordinary days of our lives, God is working extraordinarily for you to experience His extraordinary love.
I know I can't be here where I am right now if not for the grace of God. And that is what I hold on to.
Faith can bring healing. Faith can turn impossible to possible.
Paulit-ulit niyang sinasabi sa akin, ako ang bahala. Sagot kita. Sumagot ka lang.
And this is something very beautiful because that love that saves, that love that renews is also that same love that is destined for each and every one of us.
Ang Diyos, hindi kailanman susukuan ang bawat isa sa atin. He desires nothing but the best for each and every one of us.
God called me even if I'm hurting. God called me even if I'm broken. Ilaban ako ng Diyos kahit hindi ko mailaban yung sarili ko.
The Lord will speak to us na kahit kailanman, hindi ka niya pinababayaan. At kahit marami kang pinagdadaanan, i-bless ka pa rin niya through these people.
My dear friends, huwag kang matakot ipakilala ang Diyos. Bakit? Dahil mahal ka niya at faithful siya, sagot ka niya.
Remind tayo ng Diyos na huwag kang matakot kasi sagot ka niya. Huwag kang matakot kasi kahit kailan ang Diyos ay hindi marunong makalimot.